Hi, it's Lucas here with YOGABODY, and if you've been working from home like most of us for the past months and you're feeling stiff and you're feeling sore and locked up, specifically in your shoulders and in your hips, that's what I've been getting a lot of emails about. Let me show you a couple of poses you can do right now using massage balls. I've got these Hurt So Good massage balls. They're kind of like oversized lacrosse balls, but the hand feels a little different. They give a lot more than a lacrosse ball, so you can dig into your soft tissues the same way a massage therapist might do with their elbow or with the palm of their hand. With massage, the purpose is really to overwhelm your muscle with sensation so that the overactive muscle, the knotting muscle, the trigger point, relaxes. If you imagine you had a cramp in your calf muscle, for example, you would grab that calf muscle until the tension released. The same thing happens here in our upper back, our shoulders, our T-spine, and also here in our hip flexors. These are the areas we'll work on right now. I'll start off with 2 and then I'll move down to 1, but let me show you how to do this T-spine roll with these 2 massage balls. I'll start off lying down on my back, and I take the massage balls and I position them right underneath my neck, right at the top of my T-spine, my thoracic spine. Cross your arms so you put your hands on top of your shoulders, and from here, using my heels, I very gently lift up until all of the weight is on the balls. Now very, very carefully, I'll roll 1, 2, 3, 4, and then down 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I'm faking a straight face, but the sensation here is like a 8 or 9 out of 10. It's really intense. We call these Hurt So Good for a reason. The idea is that, again, we overwhelm that knotted muscle, that tightened, overactive, electrically stimulated muscle, and help to relieve tension. This is a great way to relieve office tension. It's a great way to prepare your body for gravity yoga or deep stretching. It's also a really great way to recover after a workout or a run or a CrossFit, WOD, or anything else like that. Let me show you one more pose today, and that is a hip flexor stretch. We'll specifically work on our psoas muscle. Your psoas muscle is really unique in that it originates here on your lower back, crosses your pelvis, and then inserts on your femur. What that means is that flank muscle, that tenderloin muscle, is the only one that connects your spine, your upper body, to your leg, your lower body. Because of our normal movements in our daily life, we drive a car, we sit on a toilet, we stand up, we sit down, we stand up, we sit down, but we rarely go into full spinal extension, full hip extension, I should say. That muscle tends to get tight, it tends to get short, and it gets a lot of tension. So we'll use just one ball here, and I'll place the ball right here into that psoas muscle, and I'll roll. It's a little bit difficult to see, but I'll show you from the side. I'll start off down on my belly, use my forearm for support, place the massage ball right about here in the crease of my hip. I'll bend my leg to get a little bit of leverage, pop up on my toes, and I'll roll 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4, 3, 2, 1. And again, I'm faking a straight face here. The sensation here, I would say, on that one is about a 9 out of 10. And this is why we call it Hurt So Good. When you have a muscle that's got too much stress in it, the best way to release it, as you know, is to have someone come up behind you and massage your shoulders. Another great way is to go to a body work, a Thai massage, a Rolfer, a chiropractor. But guess what? Most of us can't do that on a daily basis. It's too expensive. It's not that convenient. These massage balls give you a really great tool to do self-massage and self-care. Anyway, I'm making you this video to give you some ideas about how to take care of yourself when you're at home, when you're working from home, but also because we're having a holiday special where if you buy anything from the YOGABODY store down below, you get a pair of these, you get 2 of them for free. We'll send them to you wherever you are in the world. Thanks so much. Happy holidays from YOGABODY. Have a great day, and I hope these exercises are helpful for you.